Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, I'm just going to start calling you guys my apprentices because you're all syntax sorcerer apprentices at this point. So now we're going to go over a more comprehensive LINQ example. We're kind of using the same program as before, the laptop coffee maker blender. What I've done is just expanded on this one. So we're going to go over it again line by line so you guys aren't feeling like you've been left behind. The problem is like I wrote it all out and Visual Studio's like, error. And so I had to, I tried to troubleshoot it. And Visual Studio is like, no, this is just wrong. So then I copied the entire code, and I've gone over this before. I copied the entire code, and then I opened a new program, I just did a file new project, right? File new project, and I did it again, and just pasted the code, and then it works. This is just a problem Visual Studios will randomly have. It's just a bug where it gets caught on an error. So we're just going to go over this line by line, but you've already started this program. We did this in, I want to say, lesson 40, was it 43? 43. So we started in lesson 43 with all this stuff, right? Blender, toaster, smartphone, headphones, coffee maker, yada, yada, yada. We did LINQ query to find products over $100. So all I've done, and you can leave that one in if you'd like, but all we've done is added these LINQ queries now. Again, don't freak out, guys. We're going to go over everything. Okay, so we've already done this. If you guys open project 43, you'll see this exact same thing. So now we're going to go over the LINQ queries to find products in the electronic category. So it's going to be var electronics. Now, if you remember in 43, was it 43? Yeah, 43. We did var expensive products. So now we're just looking for electronics. So from product in electronics, where product.category is equal to electronics, select the product. And then we're just going to display that real quick, right? Give a little quick outline. Moving on, we're going to do a LINQ query to find products with a price less than $100. Affordable products. Products.where P is equal to or greater than P.price of 100. So that one might get you guys a little bit, but you should, I feel like at this point you should be able to start seeing what I'm doing. We are kind of deep into coding territory now, so you should be able to start understanding the syntax. Right here, we're just going to start outlining it and displaying it. Right, so we're going to do console write line product name, product.category, product.price. You don't have to put this nice stuff in here. This is what I do. You don't necessarily have to do that. You don't even have to do this, right? You can just display with simple, like the for each code console write line stuff. That's totally fine. After that, we're going to do a LINQ query to order products by price. Var ordered by price. From products in products, order by product dot price, select product. Again, output for display. You can kind of copy and paste this stuff over here if you really want to. Just make sure you're looking at my code and then like, oh, what changed? Nothing's really changed. It's really just this right here, right? That's the one thing we need to make sure we're not overdoing. We're going to do the same thing for a group of products. So grouped by category, from products in products, group product by product.category into category group, select category group. And then we're going to write line for each var category group and grouped by category, right? That right there, console write line dot key for each var product in category group, console write line puts it out. All right, so if you don't remember, for each goes through. So for each, it literally means like for each item in that category, right? That's how the for each loop works. So it'll just kind of like reach the end of a list per se and be like, that's it, I'm done. Then we're going to give it a little space and we're going to LINQ query to select product names. Var product names from product in product and then product name. God, I hate the word product now. I'm not going to use product anymore as a word to use. I just want you guys to know. Console.write line, name of all products, for each var name and product names, bam. And now let's make sure you go ahead and save. If you haven't, Control S, and then run that thing. All right. So here we go. Let me move mine off to the side, and we're going to go to the very top. So first thing we're doing is finding things in the electronics category. This is correct. We have things in the electronics category. Then we're doing products with price less than 100. As we see, this is also correct. These are all priced under 100. Products ordered by price, and this did lowest to highest. So 29, 49, 89, 199, 699, 999. Perfect. So then we're doing products grouped by category. So we scroll down on our code. Category electronics, laptop, smartphone, headphone, category kitchen, coffee maker, blender, toaster. Perfect. Right? And we can just go up here, and you always want to like verify. I know you can't see it very well. Let me do it like that. There we go. So we can just always double check. So we did electronics, right? So we just check everything that has electronics, and those all displayed correctly. And that's how you're going to verify. You're going to be like, oh, did it do it right? Did it do it right? It did. So we're good. All right. And then we did names of all products. That was the very last one. So we did laptop, coffee maker, headphones, blender, toaster, smartphone. I said toaster, smartphone, but smartphone, toaster. We can go up, double check again. Right there. Electronics, or I'm sorry, we have laptop, coffee maker, headphones, blender, smartphone, toaster. Laptop, coffee maker, headphones, blender, smartphone, toaster. So very easy, guys. So very easy. LINQ is not hard. It's just a better way to query your files, your whatever, your database, your files, anything you need to. But that is the short, simple, and sweet of like a comprehensive LINQ program. And with that being said, I think that's going to be like the end of our LINQ stuff, because now we're going to move on to other things. And with that being said, if you guys ever have questions, if you ever have comments, suggestions, I've already responded. Somebody actually asked for like LINQ stuff, and so here's me doing LINQ stuff. If you guys need any help, maybe we'll set up a Discord or something where we can start, looking at each other's code and stuff, because I'm not perfect by any means, and dude, half of being a developer is just going through and Googling your problem and asking other people for help, because somebody's already ran into your problem. Nobody's ever perfect. But anyways, guys, thank you, my little apprentices. I love you guys. You're awesome. Please keep coming back. Please keep watching. Again, I'm a small streamer. I'm a disabled veteran. I don't make money off this. I just like teaching it because it keeps me fresh. I have a degree in this, but I don't really have to work, so it's just more fun for me than anything. So you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.